Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a sprouts idli recipe. For this I have taken a 1 cup of whole moong dal and a 1 cup of moth bean or a matki and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to it. Now I have soaked it in the overnight and drained it. And in the next morning it's ready now. Sprouts are ready. Now take a mixie jar and add 3 bowls of sprouts to it. And add some ginger pieces and some garlic cloves to it. Now add 3 green chilies. Add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and turmeric powder to it, and add a handful of coriander leaves also and make a fine paste of it. Now I am adding a suji to it. Now add a normal upma suji to it for 2 cups, but I have taken 2 types of suji. It's completely optional, anyone you can take, and mix it well so that suji will absorb masala paste in it. Add a 1 teaspoon of salt to it and a 1 teaspoon of fruit salt to it. Now add a bowl of water to it and mix it well. Simultaneously we will keep a steamer ready and grease the idli plate with a teaspoon of oil in it and pour idli batter to the idli plates and keep it in a steamer and close the lid and leave it for steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Now open the lid, remove plates from a idli steamer. Now a healthy and nutritious idlis are ready to eat with a coconut chutney or vegetable chutney. You can make it and you can have it. And please remove idli from a idli plate with the help of a spatula or a spoon by applying 1 teaspoon of oil. If sprouts are ready, then easily within 15 minutes you can make this breakfast recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.